This is the one, a true 5-bedroom home in Sunrise. This is a 5-bedroom, 2 full bathrooms, and 1/2 bath. Perfect home for family, entertaining, relaxing in your private fenced yard. Back patio is screened in, the perfect place to sit and relax in the shade. This home is equipped with natural gas. Cooking on a gas stove is always better than electric. Gas water heater too. Master bedroom on one side of the home and the other 4 are on the opposite side of the home. Second full bathroom has a door that leads out to the pool area. Large driveway that can park up to 4 mid-sized cars. No HOA fees. All ages community. No approval required. Call today before it's gone. Call Stephen Engasser at 954-551-1987.